good afternoon, my dear student. Okay. Good afternoon, my dear student. You check it. Your third practical, two practicals already completed. First and second practicals already completed. You check your third practicals. The third practical, according to your CBSE latest syllabus, the third practical to compare the EMF of two given primary cells using potentiometer. Using potentiometer. The aim of this experiment, you note it, to compare the EMF of given primary two given primary cells using potentiometer. Again I repeat it. Payal and Srijita, you note it, to compare the EMF of two given primary cells using potentiometer. So my dear student, from your books or OLabs or net service, you see those are same. Which are the objective means aim of this experiment clear. Apparatus, you note it. Potentiometer, a Gladden cell, a Daniel cell, an ammeter, a voltmeter, a galvanometer, a battery or battery eliminator, a rheostat of low resistance, a resistance box, a one-way key, a two-way key, a jockey, a set square, connecting wires and a piece of sandpaper. This is the apparatus required. Circuit diagram. My dear student, you see in your books or the net, you see the circuit diagrams are common. Very easy practical but complicated circuit. Circuits are complicated. So theory, only you write this formula use. E1 by E2 equal to L1 by L2. E1 and E2 are the EMF of the two given primary cells. One is the Legnan cell, another is the Daniel cell. And L1 and L2 are the corresponding balancing length on potentiometer wire. Okay? Procedure is not necessary. After this, observations. The instrument are very complicated. Two cells are formed in the class, means you prepare the two cells. One is the Legnan cell, another is the Daniel cell. So sulfuric acid is required, but no lab assistance is here. Sulfuric acid not in my practical rooms. I also try to collect the sulfuric acid from the chemistry practicals. Okay. So sodium chloride, salt and sulfuric acid, so many chemicals are required. So the instrument just you see on the table. Okay. So observation table, range of the voltmeter. 1 voltmeter is required. Range of the voltmeter you see on the board, 0 to 3 volt. You note it. My dear student, range of the voltmeter 0 to 3 volt. And least count of the voltmeter 0.2 volt. Next. EMF of the battery eliminator. EMF of the battery eliminator. Okay? EMF of the battery or battery eliminator. The 2 volt. You use the 2 volt with the help of the battery eliminator or the battery. Next is the EMF of the Legnan cell. You know from your books, Legnan cell and dry cell. In your books you see it, or in class 7-8 you also know it, the Legnan cell and dry cell. In your books, the dry cell, the EMF equal to 1.45 volt. You know it. And the Legnan cell 1.4 volt and the Daniel cell 1.1 volt. From your books, Legnan cell, the EMF of the Legnan cell EMF of the lignin cell, you see here 1.4 volt. Okay, the electromotive force of the cell is 1.4 volt. It can supply an electric current of 0.25 ampere. Its internal resistance is about 1.2 ohm. Okay, and next is the Daniell cell. Daniell cell, you see here the EMF of the cell is 1.1 volt. It can supply an electric current of 0.1 ampere. 0.1 ampere. Its internal resistance is rather high. Copper sulfate and the sulfuric acid, both chemicals are required, and a carbon zinc rod, and also the phosphorus pot. Okay, my dear student, you know it from your previous class. The lignin cell and dry cell. The EMF of the lignin cell is 1.4. The EMF of the Daniell cell is equal to 1.1 volt, and EMF of the dry cell equal to 1.45 volt. You buy it from the market for using the torchlight and radio. Okay, so EMF of the lignin cell equal to 1.4 volt, and EMF of the Daniell cell equal to 1.1 volt. Okay, my dear student, you see that least count of the ammeter equal to 10 milliampere, and zero error of the ammeter equal to 0. Next is the vital, main, vital and main. So how you can say it? My dear student, you check it, the lower part of it, you collect the data from it. I also try to clear you this portion, very important part. First, you write it this real number. First, you write the First you write the serial While Srijitan quiz. Third one, quiz. Srijitan pile. Third one, who is? Rohan Approach Khan. Oh, very good. You are present. Sridhar, Rohan Approach and fire. Well, any queries? Any queries from your side regarding this practical? Two practicals are completed. Pile and Srijitan. First and second practicals are completed. First and second practicals are completed. The third one, once. Please repeat the aim of the practical. I also noted on the board. No problem. From your syllabus, I also noted on the board. No problem. I just do it. Once, please repeat this aim of the practical. Okay, no problem. I also note it. I also try to note it. This portion I will have it.